sunset in Minnesota. Wow, that's really nice. Hey, the ski hill is back there. I don't know if I can get it to show up.
Pretty.
Ah, it's right there to the right of the sun.
There's a fire station over there too. Number 4.
That's really pretty. Here we are, Minneapolis, south of 494.
The other side of the building.
The other side of the building. Checking out the sunset on a snowstorm week after Christmas, before New Year's. We're here until New Year's, so like and subscribe if you guys want to see more.